this video I'll quickly be demonstrating how to merge cells in Excel. So, if we want to merge a cell, we're going to left click and then drag which cells we want to merge. In this case, I want to merge A1 all the way to F1. And so there's a quick and easy button you can press in the Alignment tab, or in the Home tab under the Alignment group, we can click Merge and Center right here. So we'll do that, and then it's going to merge those cells. So now we see A1 all the way to F1 is one cell, and the text and whatever is inside of that is now centered as well, which is normally what we want. So now it looks great. If we want to unmerge it, we can just click the same button again, and it's going to revert back to how it was, unmerged, and we have each of those cells individually now. Another way to do this is to click and drag again, and then right click that selection that we had, and then in this quick navigator menu we can see this is the merge and center icon. We can click that and it does the exact same thing, so it's very quick and easy. So let's say I want to just merge a bunch of cells over here, we'll right click there, and then we can click this merge and center button. And then so this is very helpful, especially if we want to add in like example text. So we can add sample text here, and we can control up here in the Alignment tab how we want this text to look, whether we want it center aligned or aligned to the left and whatnot. And again, if we want to unmerge it, we can just click that button again, or we can select that cell, right click, and then click that merge and center icon again, and that will unmerge it right away and revert it back to the way it was. One thing you need to be aware of when merging cells is that if there's multiple pieces of data within the cells you have selected, it's going to use the value or the equation from the top leftmost cell. So for example, let's select E3 down to F4. And then so we've got 4 different prices and different equations in here. So if I right click and click merge and center, it's going to tell me, oh, merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discards the other values. So you got to be careful when you're merging and centering cells because of this. So if I click OK here, then all of my equations are going to go away. It's only going to keep my upper leftmost value or equation that I had typed in. So we don't really want that. Just be aware of that when you're merging and centering, to be careful about that. But we can just hit Control-Z to undo what we just did. Hopefully this quick demonstration helped you out. Make sure to like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more daily Excel tutorials, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.